In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently add a strike-through to an element in your Canva document. So whether you're working on a stunning presentation, crafting a unique flyer, or just playing around with some design ideas, learning how to strike through can be a useful tool in your Canva skill set. First things first, open your Canva document. You can do this by navigating to the Canva website and logging into your account. Once there, you'll find yourself in the home page where all your previously created documents are stored. Browse through your projects or use the search bar if you have a lot of documents and click the file you want to work on. This will bring up your project in the Canva editor interface where all the magic happens. Now take a moment to locate the image or text box that you want to apply the strike-through effect to. Click on it to ensure it is selected. When your element is highlighted, you'll notice a variety of editing options appear in the toolbar at the top of the screen. It's important to familiarize yourself with these tools as they're key to customizing and enhancing your designs. For the strike-through, you'll want to find the button that specifically adds this effect. Look towards the upper middle section of your screen. This is where many text and paragraph formatting options are housed. Depending on your browser and screen size, these buttons might be nestled in together, so keep an eye out for a symbol resembling a line through a letter, an indicator of the strike-through tool. If you're struggling to spot it, you also have a handy shortcut option at your disposal. Simply press Ctrl, Shift, and S simultaneously on your keyboard, and this can quickly apply the strike-through effect to your selected element. Once you've applied the strike-through effect, take a moment to adjust it to your liking. Make sure it aligns well with your design and matches the visual tone you're aiming for. In design, the details matter, and small elements like a strike-through can add a nuanced emphasis or a touch of professionalism depending on your creative intent. Congratulations, you've successfully added a strike-through to your Canva document. With just a few clicks or keystrokes, you've added yet another layer of versatility to your graphical arsenal. Don't forget to save your changes to avoid losing any progress. Canva typically autosaves your work, but it's always a good habit to ensure everything is stored correctly. So there you have it, a quick and straightforward technique to enrich your designs. Feel free to experiment more within Canva and explore its extensive range of features. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.